Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you SpyBot Suite Scalper, what it did today. And we made some code changes on the bot to make it do a little better. And we got those back, run it. This was run from 8:55 p.m. last night, Eastern Time. So that's 3 hours after the session opened is when we turned it on. This is only running one contract, up 55, 90, 32. That's after commissions. And yes, we have some bad trades. If we had managed these trades, we would have made more money. But as you can see, we didn't manage them. The bot did every bit of this as untouched. Not one trade was touched. We let it run from about 9 o'clock last night Eastern Time all the way up until session close. And it did very well. If we turned it off ahead of time, you can see right here some bad trades coming into the end. Normally, I won't trade. Usually after about 3:30, I normally won't trade. But I ended up letting it run, and there was a couple bad trades in here over that. But I'm just going to scan through and just you can pause and look and see what you think. Again, there are some bad trades in here, and the drawdown I think at the most was about $100 drawdown total. So if you would have put your money in and run it, you would have been about $100, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Go through here. These are all the trades that it took. And again, if you manage this, which I teach how to manage it so that you can make more money, and if you manage it, the trade itself with a stop, then you would end up making more money. So right here is when we turned it on. Come on right here. Actually, this is about midnight when it came on. And whenever it come on, let it run. And so it's just on today only. There were some good trades over in here, and if we'd have run this, we would have gotten even better. So from the session open was right here. So I was thinking it was 8:55, but it's actually midnight when we turned it on. This one right here would have been a good trade here, and there would have been a bad one there, but it wouldn't have been much. So you would have actually been a little bit more money than what this shows. So it's at 55, 90, 32 after commission. It works really well. Have no issues with it. The bot is very stable, runs good, trades good. After the code changes I made to it, has actually just made it a whole lot better. So I'm real happy with that. So I guess what you're really wanting to know is how do I get this bot? Well, we have a SpyBot Suite, and I'm going to show you how that works. We only have a couple bots in there. This is our main bot that we use. And it works with, we have several indicators. There's a lot of things that come with it. And so what you do is you go to spymoneyllc.com, go up here to the SpyBot Suite. When you click on that, I'm still customizing this page because we just went through changing some things, but you get all of the bots that we use. There's only 4 bots. You get those bots. You get all the indicators for those bots. So like we have Angular, so you get the Angular indicator. We have the confirmation indicator. You'll get the Suite Scalper indicator. So all of this stuff comes in with the lease. We have a yo-yo, initial balance, and it's not to confuse with the Spy Money balance. There's 2 different indicators, but we go ahead and let you use the initial balance one if you want to use it. I do live training. Almost all day. I'm in and out quite a bit. I show screens and let you just watch some of the trades and stuff. I do some live trading in them. I don't do a lot of live trading. I'm not real comfortable letting people watch me trade. For one, if I mess up, they're messing up too, and I don't like that. But as far as the live trading, I do that. We also have the Discord. So the Discord is very, very good. It is no drama, people getting along, people are paying to be there, so we don't have all the riffraff in there. And people are there to learn, bring in ideas. It is a great Discord, much, much better than the one I had before. So if you're interested in doing this, you scroll down. Here's a video showing yesterday's trade, and I will go ahead and show this trade as well on here. Then you can lease it right here if you click right there, and you can sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to get a lot of information. So let me go in here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what you end up getting. So this is the back end of my website. Whenever you buy everything, this is what you get. So you'll get the SpyBot Suite training videos. So this is where I do the training on the bots and so forth and put those on there. So when you click on here, then it'll open up and show this here. So whenever you open this up, it'll have training videos and they're dated and everything. The setup instructions, how we do that. So you click on this one and it will show exactly how to set up your NinjaTrader and so forth. Little short videos, some are just dialogue to let you know what to do. It's very easy. It won't take very long to get it set up. Then we have the downloads. So we have the SpyBot Suite indicator downloads. These are some of the indicators that we have, and I'm not opposed to adding more, but you have this one, and then you got tutorials and stuff, how to use them. Oh, the Man of War, I forgot about that one. That's another bot that we have as well. We're actually in development on that. And all of these bots use the same indicators, and that's why we call it the suite. And I have no intentions of making any more bots with it. The Suite Scalper is probably our best one, and that's what we'll probably end up sticking with. Then we have the settings. So you click on here, and it will show the settings for each one. I'm not going to open that. It shows some things. Then we have the downloads. So when you go in here, there's going to be the downloads. You click on this one, and it'll open up, and it'll show the downloads for the bots. We also have the SpyBot confirmation bot. I'm organizing this a little bit, so this will go away, and we're going to put perimeters and such in one part. So some of this will go away. We've got live training courses, indicators. NinjaTrader 8 tips and tricks. That's free. Go to my homepage, and you can go right in and sign up right now and get it. There's no charge for it. No hidden cost, no credit card, none of that. If you go there, click right here, and when you click on this, you add it to your cart is 100% free. And I add some videos to that ever so often, so whenever I add them, I send people emails and let them know. Will this work with a funded account? Yes, it will. You can throw a funded account on here, and these are two that we have right now. I'm getting ready to add a third one on here. Works really well, and I've got a 30% coupon on it. But if you click on this one, you got, I think it's 30% on this one now, and if you click here, then you put this code in and you'll get 50% off. So here's a little bit of description between the two. Both good companies. It just depends on what your flavor is. And I go over some details. If you got any questions about which one you should get, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you. But they do work with that. If you have any questions, you can go in here and type in your information, put the questions in here. They come directly to me. I respond almost immediately. Depends on what's going on, but I'm really good about replying back to my emails and getting them taken care of. If you need to talk to me, make sure you got your phone number in there so that I can call you back and let me know what time's the best for you, and we'll get you started. We had a lot of new people this week, and it's working really well. People are making money. They're posting profits in the channels, so there is money being made, and that's the main thing. A lot of these things you get into and you just can't make money. It's just too hard. This one, the settings already made. All you got to do is just put the settings in. And like I said, I do live training. I talk about how to use this thing every single day. So if you join in the Discord, you're going to learn really quick because I'm there. You can ask me questions. It is open mic, interactive with everybody. So any question you have, I go over and teach you how to do it or not to do or whichever. It's really good for you. Again, some of these trades are bad, but like this one here, we would have never allowed that to go all the way up here. But this is left untouched, just like it was yesterday. Over $3,000 yesterday, untouched. Today, over $5,000 untouched. So if you just have the money in your account, you turn it on and let it run, and this is what happened today. So if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. Let's get you started right now. Time is of the essence. The longer you wait, the less you're going to make. So let's get on it. Give me a shout. Let me know what I can do to help you, and let's get the party started. Later.